how to log into your Cleo app account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply install the application Cleo from your App Store or your Play Store. Then you can simply open the application. After opening the application here, all you need to do is tap on login right here. You'll be able to get into your login page where you'll need to add in your email address. And after adding down your email address, and then from here, all you need to do is add in your email address, and then you can simply add in the password of your account. And then from there, you can simply tap on login, and then you'll be able to log into your account, right? So in case if you have signed up your account with using any of those platforms like your Apple ID, your Google ID, or your Facebook account, then you can simply tap on those platforms in order to go along with the process of signing up through those platforms, right? So in here, unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, so you can even tap on the option forgot your password right here, and then you'll need to add in your email address, then tap on reset password. You will actually be able to get a email from your Cleo app where you might actually get a 6-digit code in order to verify, or you might actually get a link in order to reset your password. You can simply do that and successfully reset your password. Then you can come back to your login page, add in your new password, and then tap on login in order to log into your Cleo app account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.